Stop to handle and assess a number of individual birds for the following. Eyes should be clear, no signs of irritation. Feathers should be clean with feathers sticking out. Beak should be clean with no signs of hooves dropping. Skin should be unblemished with no scratch or hookburn marks. Leg should what is the gait of the bird. Hook should be clean with no irritation. Markings. Hook should be clean with no irritation marking. Feet should be clean with no irritation marking. Beak and tongue should be no nasal discharge or feel sticking through the beak and no signs of tongue discoloration. Crop are they feeding? Does the crop contain glitter? Is the crop very hard or soft? This will indicate the water availability. Breast should be unblemished with no blister.